Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change VW Passat remote battery. Pry open the fob along the seam using a coin and replace the CR2032 battery. Start by removing the mechanical key and locating the small release slot, then gently separate the halves. Note the battery orientation before removal. Clean contacts with a dry cloth and reassemble firmly. Test the remote from a few meters away to confirm locking and unlocking functions. Start by verifying the remote stops responding or shows weak range, then prepare your CR2032 battery and a coin. Work on a clean surface to avoid losing small parts. Remove the old battery using a plastic tool and inspect the contacts for corrosion. If needed, gently clean with isopropyl on a cotton swab and dry completely. Reinsert the new battery in the same orientation and snap the fob halves back together firmly. After replacing the battery, test the remote by locking and unlocking the car from several meters away and inside the vehicle. If the remote still fails, recheck battery orientation and clean the contacts again. Replace the battery with another new unit to rule out a defective cell. If problems persist, inspect the fob circuit board for damage or visit a locksmith or dealer for key reprogramming assistance to restore full remote functionality.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.